I stood on the rooftop, overlooking the city of Gotham. The night was quiet, but my mind was still racing from the battle I had just fought to save this city. As I surveyed the skyline, my thoughts drifted back to the countless times I had faced off against the criminal underworld that threatened to destroy everything I held dear. With each encounter, I had emerged victorious, striking fear into the hearts of those who sought to do harm to Gotham. I couldn't help but feel a sense of pride as I thought about all the lives I had saved and all the evil I had thwarted. I had pushed myself to the brink of exhaustion, and yet I had never faltered. The dark night always rises to the challenge. But I knew that my work was never done. There would always be another threat lurking in the shadows, waiting to strike, and I would always be there to face it head-on, to protect the people of Gotham from the darkness that threatened to consume them. Because that was what I did, I protected Gotham. I stood as a symbol of hope in a city that had been too long consumed by darkness. And I knew that as long as I remained vigilant, as long as I never gave up, that Gotham would always have a chance. As the sun began to rise and the city slowly came back to life, I watched from my perch on the rooftop. I knew that there would always be those who sought to do harm, but I also knew that there were those who would fight back. I am Batman, and my battle to save Gotham was far from over, but with each victory, I grew stronger, more determined, and more unstoppable than ever before. And no matter what challenges lay ahead, I knew that I would always be ready to face them.